Okay, I apologize. There was some really exciting stuff going on, and I think it was just too much for my camera to handle. I think we got cut off right about here. So a -4 minus 14, add the opposite, gives me a -18. Absolute value, 18. So the measurement between point S and point V to give that segment measurement of 18. Okay, the next idea here, and you'll see that I highlighted this, is called segment addition postulate. In crazy geometry language, it says, if 3 points, A, B, and C, are collinear, so remember, together on the same line, and B is somewhere in between A and C, then it must be true that the distance between A and B plus the distance between B and C has to equal the distance between A and C. What? Okay, so the way I like to think about it is a piece plus a piece is going to equal a whole. So I'm going to draw myself a little picture. Here's point A, and it says B has to be between A and C. So I'm going to put C at the other end, and B is somewhere in between. It doesn't say it's halfway in between, it just says it's somewhere in between, but they are all on the same line. So it says the measure of AB, A to B, this piece is going to measure 5 units. B to C, obviously not to scale, is going to measure 4. It says so, piece AB plus piece BC is going to be blank plus blank. So fill that in, 5 plus 4. And therefore from A all the way over to C, piece plus piece equals the whole thing of 9. So all of that craziness can be that simple. Okay, so I'm going to scratch these out. Let me take the next piece of information. This time they're starting us off with the whole segment is 12. The piece between B and C is 7. So they're saying take the whole thing, 12 AC, subtract out the piece that we know, 7, and that should leave us with AB being 5. Easy enough?